A family who lost a loved one in a Southside fire may take Dane County's 911 center to court. News 3's Danica Lewis has the late-breaking details for us tonight.
Yeah, this just came down about an hour ago, guys, and the damages Chris Williams' family is looking for total $250,000. This document right here, this is called a notice of claim, is their legal way of saying we can sue in 6 months. Williams' brother Jim was at today's 911 center board meeting. And as we've reported, Chris Williams died in an apartment fire on Bridge Road back in October. Records show it took the Dane County 911 Center 3 minutes and 48 seconds to dispatch first responders to the scene. In the document, just released to us again this afternoon, Williams' family specifically mentions Dane County, County Public Safety Communications, 911 Director John Dejung, and anyone else who had a hand in that dispatch. On top of $250,000 the Williams say they may sue for in 6 months, the family could push for a judge's supervision over emergency communications and a third-party audit of the department. So again, late-breaking details for us this afternoon.
And you mentioned a meeting of the 911 Center board. We've talked about that as well before.
Oh, yeah.
Anything come of that?
Yeah, we sat in on that today, Eric. It was mostly recommendations and a lot of it direct response to demands from the county executive, including summer staffing.
We've looked at hiring on a part-time basis former PSC employees who now continue to work in the county. And we have 3 of those who are already on the schedule and will begin working very shortly.
That a very small tweak on top of changes to training. The board now recommends fire chiefs across Dane County look at dropping the boundaries that may bind first responders, allowing dispatch to send out the quickest response regardless of geography. One thing the board didn't talk about this afternoon, evaluating John Dejung as Dane County's 911 Center Director. The board voted to go into closed session on that issue next month, also giving the chair time to figure out how to best evaluate Dejung and his performance.
All right, something, of course, we will continue to follow.
We've been following since the start and will continue to do so.
All right, thank you, Danica.
Sure thing.